We wish you a Merry Christmas from Coca-Cola. We wish you a Merry Christmas from Coca-Cola. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
We're just a stone's throw away from Stadium MK at the Asda in Bletchley. As you can see, the Coca-Cola lorry has come to town. They're here all afternoon and giving out free Cokes. But here's what the people thought of the truck.
Oh, I love it. It's Christmas. Like when you see the Coca-Cola advert on screen or even here, it's just that's Christmas is coming. It's brilliant.
What do you think of it, Layla? Do you like the lorry? Yeah, do you like the lorry? You like the what? You like the sticker?
Someone happy, they just want someone happy, and you will be happy too.
I think for me it's always just the Coca-Cola one, because when that comes on you know Christmas is coming. Like that sums up Christmas for me.